Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to open up the Settings application. From here, navigate to Storage, select your SD card, choose the three dots in the corner and go to Storage Settings, where you will find the option to format. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if there is anything that you would like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you don't want to, click on Format SD card. This will automatically begin the process, which takes only a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card will be ready to be used once again. And there we go. Click on Done and you're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.